Hi there, I'm Aaron Armstrong and welcome to another K-Wall tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about Accorbis and adding from library blocks into a landing page. For this to work, the first thing we need to do is create a couple of reusable paragraphs that you might want to create once and reuse the exact same way throughout the site. So let's start by going to Content and then to Paragraphs. By default, this will likely be empty for you, and we're going to go ahead and add a library item. From here, we have our list of paragraphs, which are all of our different components that we may want to create as reusable elements. I'm going to go ahead and say, I'm going to create the media with text. So from here, I can fill out my title for this media with text, Aaron's text. Actually, you know what? I'll put that in the body. I'm going to leave this heading empty. This would typically show up above the rest of the content. And I'm going to put the image on the left. I'm going to select an image here, and we'll choose that. We could also select a video, which will have the image as the thumbnail, and when you click on it, start playing the video. But we're going to leave it as just an image for now. We're going to go ahead and paste in some lorem ipsum. And let's go ahead and give it just one link, primary link. So just to follow up, let's add in some heading. And we'll turn that into an H2. So we've got our image that is left aligned. We have some body text with an H2, a paragraph, and then underneath it a link. Okay, so let's give this paragraph library item an actual label. So Aaron's media with text. So this could be any name you want, really. And so what we've done is we've created a reusable piece of content that can be added to any page, allowing you to have one spot where you can edit this content, and it'll change it anywhere else on the site that it is referenced. From here, let's go back to the content page, and we can either create a new piece of content, or for the sake of our demo, we're going to go ahead and edit an existing landing page. From here, you're going to go to main content. You can see we have all of our layout paragraphs here with all of our different sections and their corresponding components. I'm going to go ahead and add a new section. We'll just keep it as a one column and throw it in a container. You can see we have our new section here, and I'm going to go ahead and click the plus icon and scroll down to the bottom where you can see from library. And from here, your only option is to select a reusable piece of content, or paragraph content. And since we only have the one, we're going to select that. And then we are going to click save. We can see that that has been pulled in. And if we go ahead and save the page and view it on the front end, you'll be able to see this as well. Image on the left, text on the right, our one heading, our lorem ipsum, and our primary link. And just for the sake of seeing things change, let's go ahead and modify this and say we want to change the heading. And we're going to just call it new heading. We're going to click save. Now if we refresh this page, instead of subheading, it is new heading. So you can see how quickly you would be able to create a reusable block, add it to a number of different landing pages or basic pages, and have the ability to modify this and change it once and have it be modified everywhere on the site that is referenced. And it is simple as that. Thank you so much.